Case study for standard mathematics students. Clearly, the case study is this. In the figure 23, this figure is depict an archery target marked with a 5 scoring areas from the center outwards as a gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 cm and each of the other bands is 10.5 cm wide. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Okay. Now the circumferences of the regions representing gold, red, blue, black and white scoring area are in the ratio. So first we have to find all the circumferences, then we can give the answer. This is a figure. Here is the red color, gold color. In between gold color, then red, blue, black and white. These are the 5 regions. And the diameter of the gold is 21 centimeter. It means the first radius is R1 is 10.5 centimeter. Now the each band is 10.5 centimeter width. It means the radius R2 is 10.5 plus 10.5, 21 centimeter. This is the radius 21 centimeter. Now the R3. Third radius of the third one is 21 plus 10.5, 31.5 centimeter. Now the next R4, 31.5 plus 10.5. It means 42 centimeter. And the last R5 radius for white region, 42 plus 10.5. These are the 5 radius, R3 and now the circumferences all the regions. Circumference of C1 is pi into D. Pi into D, it means 2 pi R1. Okay. So now 2 into 10.5 it means 21 pi. C2 just double diameter 42, it means 42 pi. Third 31.5 into 2, 63 pi and C4 84 pi and R5 it means C5 equal to 52.5 multiplied 110 pi. 52.5 105 pi. Okay, these are the circumferences. Now the ratio in this you can find cancel by 21 pi. So 1 2 3 4 5 cancel by 21 pi. 1 za 25 by 2 za 25 3 za 21 4 za 21 5 za. Now the ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 5. The ratio in the circumferences are 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 5. Now the next question. Okay, the second option is right. If the area of region representing gold scoring area is A, this area is A, then the area of region representing red scoring area, okay. If suppose the area of internal is this in A, area of gold equal to A means pi R square, radius 10.5 into 10.5. And the area of red region equal to pi into 21 into 21 minus pi into 10.5. I am using the area of ring. The area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle, that means the area of the ring. Okay. So now represent in the form of A. This area we can write 21. 2 into 10.5. 2 into 10.5. And this area equal to A. Now A is pi into 10.5 into 10.5. It means this is 4A. How is 4A? 2 into 2, 4. And this area equal to A. 4A minus A. The area of red region is 3A. Clear? Area of red region is 3A. Now, if the area of region representing gold scoring is A, then the area of region representing blue score area. Okay, now the blue score area. The area of blue score. Area of blue region in the form of A. The area of blue region is area of total red region nahi, area of red up to red minus area upper circle, not the, take it this, pi into radius of blue region is 31.5 into 31.5 minus up to red region 21 into 21. You can see in this figure the radius of the blue region is 31.5 minus 21, बड़ा सर्किल में से छोटा. Okay. Now calculate in the form of A. Pi into, we can write 3 into 10.5 into 3 into 10.5 minus pi into 2 into 10.5 into 2 into 10.5. We know that the A equal to pi r square, yani pi into 10.5 into 10.5. A, it is representing A, it means 9A minus 4A. This is the A. The area of blue region is 5A. The area of blue region is 5A. D option is right. If the area of region representing gold scoring is A, okay, then the area of region representing black score. The same condition, A equal to pi r square, pi into 10.5 into 10.5. Then calculate the area of black score. The radius for the black score is 42 centimeter. This radius is 42. The pi into 42 minus pi into 31.5 into 31.5. The area of black ring equal to area of this bigger circle minus smaller circle. Area of black ring. Pi into 42 is the radius, 42 into 42 minus pi into 10.5 into 10.5. 31.5, sorry, 31.5, 31.5. Pi, you can write 42, 4 into 10.5. 42 equal to 4 into 10.5 and 4 into 10.5. ये हम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? कन्वर्ट इन दी फॉर्म ऑफ ए. हमको आंसर ए में लाना है. 3 इंटू 10.5, 3 इंटू 10.5. We know that A equal to area of gold ring is pi into 10.5 into 10.5. This is the area of gold which are representing in the form of A. It means this will be equal to 16A minus 9A. That one is 7A. Area of black ring is 7A. This is equal to the 7A. Now the last question. If the area of the region representing red scoring area is A, then the area of region representing blue scoring area is. Now note in this question, red scoring area is A. In all the gold scoring A, it means in this question red scoring area is A. First we have to write the area of red region. Area of red region equal to pi. Radius of red region is 21 into 21 minus area of gold region. This is the area of red region which is equal to A. Now solve. Pi A square minus B square. So 21 plus 10.5 is equal to 31.5 and 10.5. Okay. Now we can write 3 into pi 10.5 into 10.5. Okay. Pi into this. And we have to find the area of blue scoring. Now compare the area of blue region and red region. Area of blue region is pi R square is 31.5, radius for 31.5 minus area of red region 21 into 21. Now calculate in terms of 10.5 and 10.5. So we can write 3 into a square minus b square. Simple. A square minus b square. If we subtract a minus b, 10.5 and add 52.5. So we can write pi into 10.5 into 10.5 into 5. Okay. If 3 pi, this equal to a. Okay. A equal to 3 pi equal there. Right here. A equal to pi into 10.5 into 10.5 into 3. Therefore, pi into 10.5 into 10.5 equal to a by 3. So, a by 3 equal to this. Now put pi into this equal to a by 3 into 5. The answer is 5a by 3. The answer is 5 by 3. Okay.